What if America wasn't the land of the free anymore? What if one morning, the flag was gone, the Constitution dissolved, and every nation on Earth followed one ruler, one law, one digital currency? This is the story of the day the United States was replaced by a one-world government. It began with a crisis, not war, not invasion, but collapse from within. Economic turmoil triggers martial law. Banks freeze withdrawals, Congress evacuates, the dollar drops overnight, and then silence. Then comes the solution. A new central authority steps in. Backed by the World Economic Forum, United Nations, and tech giants. They promise peace, food, and digital rights, but only if every nation agrees to dissolve sovereignty. And most say yes, including the former United States. One digital currency is introduced, no more cash. Everything runs on biometric wallets and social reputation scores. New IDs are issued globally. Every citizen is tagged with a world score based on behavior, loyalty, and beliefs. Criticize the system? You lose access to food, medicine, travel. The Bible is classified as hate content. Religion is regulated. A new world faith is encouraged, one that worships unity over truth. U.S. military absorbed into the global defense force. Border walls torn down. National holidays erased. There are no more states. Only zones of obedience. Education is rewritten. History is cleansed. Children are raised by system-designated AI tutors. Their parents have no say. And in the center of it all, a single unelected council rules from a fortified AI city called Echelon. They don't call themselves presidents. They are simply known as the Circle. Free speech dies, elections vanish. And the United States becomes just a chapter in a forgotten book. So ask yourself, if a global government promised safety, comfort, and peace, would you trade your freedom to feel secure? Because in this future, you don't vote. You comply or you vanish.